This is a take. Ready? 3, 2, 1, play. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Just mixing up the sound. It's the director's commentary. LaPenna's flight. Zephyrhills. There we go. So him starting the plane. Woo, there it goes right there. I got my dinner for tonight. Kind of blown out, hard to see, but that's okay. Propeller spinning. Normal stuff. So here, if you notice here, the GoPro, it's you can see the propeller actually spinning quite a lot here. Not sure why that happened on Paul's take here instead of Christopher, but so be it. Okay. Okay. Driving up the engine here. Kind of testing the gas. Oh, here we go. Okay. Good chicken, by the way. Very good. I cooked it with a frying pan. No olive oil, no butter. Just all natural greases. Alright, so I think he's still taking around here. Probably about T minus 10 seconds till lift off. Really getting the feel for the ground here. I think he's had enough about the ground and he's probably about to take off. Here we go. Oh, you see the GoPro right there. See that? GoPro. Airborne. This is Bo's flying field. That's going around Zephyrhills, Florida. Beautiful Saturday this was. It's a beautiful Saturday, yeah. A lot of people were there for Bo's Christmas giving. Oh, those guys right there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Those guys were flying in those, I don't know what they're called, but parachutes with a big fan behind them. And the pilot, Paul, was getting very upset with them because they were in the way for taking off, for landing. Oh, there we are. There's Paul and myself right there. At the bottom, there we are. Boom. So at this point, we're just really getting a feel. The interesting thing here is that the GoPro is really held on with some rubber bands. About like, Paul's gonna like know how many, but like maybe 5, 6 rubber bands here. And we really weren't sure. You can actually see one of the rubber bands there at the bottom. See that? We weren't sure this whole entire flight. This was really a test flight. It wasn't intended for any type of, trick moves. It's really just to see. Let's get the camera up there. Let's see what happens. See what kind of aerial footage we can get, and just have fun with it. That's it. Just have fun with it. So Paul's kind of toying around with it right now. Just kind of a lot of high aerial moves, some loops. And, you know, with each turn here, there we go, a little bit, it's actually doing some loops. There's that guy again. It's really getting a sense of how much these rubber bands will withstand the GoPro. Now, for those of you that are eating like myself, and if you're a little bit queasy or if you have a light sensitive stomach, I recommend you probably pause this or fast forward towards the end because it's going to get a little crazy if memory serves me correctly. Probably about another minute or so. This is director's commentary, by the way, per a request. Alright, no, there's that guy again. Oh, nope. Here we go. Going, these left bank turns, oh god. Starting to get sick here. Oh. Oh my god, again, guys getting dizzy at home? Huh? Oh, alright. Oh my god. I think he's almost going full throttle. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna be dizzy here. Whoa. I think I'm gonna be getting sick. Oh, okay, upside down. Wow, all the way around. Okay, we'll just untangle it all. Oh, back to left. Goodness gracious. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't do that. It gets worse. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my, it's dizzying, dizzying. Well, there we are. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, what is this guy doing? What is he doing? What are you doing? Alright, it's climbing here. Now, Paul can comment what the heck this is, but I think it's a flat spin. Oh, 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 oh my god. Oh goodness. If you at home watching, I have the headphones in here so that the audio, when I sync it up, it doesn't interfere. Oh, there we are. Oh, he does not land. Oh, chicanery. It's a little trick. A little trick. Wow. Wow. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, oh. Oh, God, don't do that again. Oh. Oh my goodness. Jesus, Paul. Alright, here we go. It's coming back around. Okay, there we go. Loop around. Oh, God. It's like that ride. Remember that ride, the Gravitron, when you were a kid at the carnival? It was like when you press against it. Everyone like slides up. Oh, yeah. Oh! He's going full throttle here. Oh, God. Dizzy. Really? 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 Oh, no. Oh, no. Get out of here. Get out of here. Danger. Danger. Climbing up. There's danger for you. Oh, boy. I probably was telling him to do this, actually. Oh. Wow, look how high we are. We gotta be at least easily a few hundred. Oh. I can hear that wind. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Listen to that wind. Coasting back down. Here he goes. He's gonna have the landing soon. Coasting back down to the landing. Oh, there we are. Oh, look at that. Wow. Well done. Not bad. There's some other. So check out the other videos. There's 2 videos by Christopher Stevenson where he absolutely does not land like that. he crashes and tumbles over a few times, which you will see in the video. If you like this, you can subscribe, comment, and like, of course. Shout out to Canon cameras, iPhones, iMacs, and Adidas shoes, and all remote control aficionados. This is the director's commentary. Thanks for watching. See you later.